my God, they've made it to my neighborhood. The dreaded road construction. Well, what is this? Why are you in my neighborhood, Mr. Sign? Oh, they're taking over, guys. Anyway, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing today? I want to say, hey, oh, look at this. A guy with the road sign. Oh, of course, I can go now. God, he looked really happy to be doing the job, didn't he? Oh my goodness, this video is already starting out great. I didn't even get to do a hi, welcome to my channel, and to all you fellow newbies on my Harley-Davidson Street 500 family. We jumped right into construction. Oh man. Oh yes, you're getting 3 uploads in 2 days. He looked a little bit happier. Yes, 3 uploads in 2 days. 1 upload for Learning with Udi, and 1 basically beautiful back road rant video. Today we're going to talk about first bikes. Ooh, I hate starting on a hill, guys. Ooh, that was fun. Anyway, I want to start. I want to start that day. You know what? 3 cups of coffee and I still can't get it right. Anyway, so I want to talk about like first bikes for newbies. I recently, last week, or was it the week before last, I was able to ride a Harley-Davidson Fat Bob. You know, it is a somewhat powerful motorcycle considering that I'm used to this Street 500. Now, the reason I got to ride that was because a friend of mine decided to go to the dealership. Yes, I said dealership, not dealership. The dealership to purchase a motorcycle. Now, there are 2 Harley-Davidson dealerships out here in PA where I live, or close to where I live. You have the Susquehanna Trail Harley-Davidson, which is amazing. I love those guys, you know, about as much as I love family. And then you have the Appalachian Trail Harley-Davidson, which those guys are a bunch of sleazebags. Yep, sorry to say it, but they are. You know, you go in there, and if you're inexperienced, they will try to sell you on a bigger motorcycle than what you actually need. You know, so, because I went in there the first time, because I was up that way, and, you know, I was just looking at bikes, and the guy was seriously trying to sell me an Ultra Glide. It's like, dude, I've never ridden before. Like, that's not what I need. That's dangerous. It's, you know, too much motor. You know, yes, over time I would be able to ride one, but starting out on, you know, a motorcycle for the first time without any courses available or classes or riding academies, that is not the kind of bike that I feel I should be starting on. You know, at least I have the sense to know that. Well, unfortunately, my friend found out I was riding, so he's like, you know what, I want to ride too. So I told him, I was like, go to Susquehanna, talk to Brittany. She's amazing. She's one of the #1 saleswomen in, like, the county. And, oh God, this is a really steep hill. And she'll take care of you, you know, get you what you need. And instead, he went to the Appalachian Trail one, which, like I said, is called the dealership. So he gets up there and he tells the guy, look, I have no experience, never ridden before, you know, what do you recommend? And the guy automatically sells him on a Fat Bob. But my friend's like, you know, well, what about a 500 or an 883? You know, something to learn on. The guy goes, no, you'll outgrow that within, you know, a few weeks and a month. You know, you'll get tired of it. Yeah, so my friend's like thinking about it. He's like, oh, you know, you may be right. I might just outgrow this, you know. So what does my friend do? Buys a brand new Fat Bob. Okay. So he has 0 riding experience. Now his brother-in-law rides, I guess. And so what his brother-in-law would do is take his motorcycle for him to a parking lot and park it there. And when the dude would get off work, he would go and practice by himself. So I ran into him when I was out doing my job, and he's like, hey, you want to come over and help me practice on my motorcycle? I was like, sure, you know, I'll come over, I'll show you some things that I've learned, and, you know, we'll see what we can do, you know. So I get over there, and I was like, well, show me what you can do. Well, he gets on the bike, he starts going like in a straight line, and he drops it. Literally just drops it on its side. He goes, I do that a lot. I look at the bike, and like the clutch lever's all jacked up, the pegs are all messed up, you know. And so I get on the bike and I'm like, oh my God, this is a lot of power for a first bike, you know. So where am I going with this? It is early, guys. I apologize. It's early on a Monday. I'm down a road I normally don't venture down. But anyway, so like your first bike, you know, you should have sense enough to know that what you can handle and what you can't handle. Now, if you've ridden in the past, cool. You know, you might be well suited for, say, a Fat Bob or a Fat Boy or, you know, something bigger. But if you're brand new to riding, I say like some of the best bikes you can get is a 300 or a 500, maybe even a 600, but I would keep it in the low hundreds, you know, just because, like, this bike right here, she is very forgiving. She won't rip my arms off if I rip on the throttle, which is great because I am, you know, like I said, I am a new rider, you know, 3 months, almost 3 months, or right at 3 months in. You know, so like I said, she's very forgiving. So if you're, well, look at that asshole. Wow. Don't be like that, guys. Don't be an asshole. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Get your first bike, something that is forgiving, something that... And I'm back. Yeah, I had to cut that little piece because I completely forgot where I was going. I've got this asshole like riding too close. Speed limit's only 25. Anyway, so yes, your first bike should be something that you are completely comfortable and confident on. Now, like I said, a 500 for me, and I'm 5'7" with my boots off. I only weigh about 200 pounds. Well, right at 200 pounds, but I carry it well, damn it. But I don't feel like I'm too big for this bike. I don't look too big on it. You know, it's almost a damn near perfect bike for someone starting out learning. You know, but maybe a cruiser or standard's not for you. You know, maybe say a Ninja 300 or, you know, a 150 or something is the perfect bike for you. And yes, there's a lot of discussion and topics on the perfect first bike, and a lot of people say get like the Ninja 300 because it is forgiving, it's not too powerful, and you can dip it in and out of, you know, corners and stuff, and you can flick it here and there. But I found with the Harley-Davidson, if you learn how to ride her right, you can just flick her in and out of turns too. You know, it's all about that hip movement, you know, just sway those hips, dance, you know. I think I'm going the right way to where I want to go, but I'm not sure. Let's see. Is that asshole turning the other way? Good. You know what? I'll say it again. And I said it in a video yesterday. Don't be an asshole when you're in a car and there's a biker in front of you. Just don't. You know, be nice. Oh no, I think this might actually be a dead end. I've never been out here. Oh, you know what? I think it was one street up I needed to go. Oh well. But yeah, so like I said, you can flick this one here, there, and there. Here, there, and there. Who talks like that? Showing my age. But yeah, so when choosing the first bike, be smart about it. Might have busted a U-turn. Look where you want to go, counterbalance, and turn. Look at that, guys. All those circles I do in parking lots pay off, don't they, Halo? Name drop. Anyway, so, God, you know, I keep getting lost in my own video. This is what happens when I actually think about what I'm going to talk about, and I'm just rambling. Oh my God, guys, it's way too early. I don't just ramble. But I end up just rambling anyway because I get lost in the moment, lost in the thought, and lost on my bike. I have a topic I want to talk about, and it completely goes out the window or off the handlebars. But anyway, yeah, so when purchasing, you know, I should cut most of this, but you know what? If my videos don't make you smile, then I apologize. You know, I have fun making them. I have fun riding my motorcycle, and I hope you have fun watching my videos. You know, as much, you know, like I said, with everything going on today, if you need a good laugh or good smile, I'm hoping I can... Oh no, my glasses are fogging up. I can help you with that a little bit, but yes, purchasing your first motorcycle, that should be a huge decision. It should not be a snap decision like, oh, I'm gonna go buy a motorcycle, so I'm gonna go buy this one. No. You should put a lot of thought into it. And once again, if you have a course you can take, I recommend, highly recommend taking it. You're gonna learn a lot of things that will help you. You've got basic courses, you've got advanced courses, and if you have the ability to take one, or if they're available, please go take one before you purchase your first motorcycle. Get a feel for the motorcycle itself. See if it's something, you can actually do. Because motorcycle riding is not for everyone. I know some people that can't walk, talk, and chew gum at the same time, and, they're not saying that they couldn't ride, but most of the time they can't. It says detour. I don't believe it. Trying to find a new empty parking lot. The parking lot that I had been using, well, school's back in, and I can't use that parking lot now. I mean, I could, but there's too many cars, and I'm not that advanced to be dodging cars while trying to do circles, And why am I doing circles in parking lots, you might ask? Well, in order to get your license in PA, or your motorcycle license, your Class M, you have to do 3 figure eights. The place I went, watch the video where I rant about PA, and you'll understand why I'm doing circles in a parking lot. Not gonna go into it. Ugh. Now I wonder, though, if this detour goes all the way this way. Oh, wait a minute. I see a sign behind me that says detour. What the hell? Anyway. But yes, do research on your first bike. I don't have a stop sign. PA is so weird with these stop signs. But, yeah, do research. Talk to people. Take a course. Don't let the dealership talk you into something that you're not comfortable with. You go to the dealership, you can always say no. Like, no, a Fat Bob is not what I need. That is too much power. Like, I'm going to kill myself on this thing. Don't be afraid to do that. Don't be afraid to put your foot down. They are there. They're going to make money off you either way. So, basically, you're the boss of them. So, I am good and lost. Yes, the reason I'm uploading so many videos at one time is I'm on vacation. And all my plans were canceled because of the Rona. So I have a chance now just to go ride my motorcycle anytime I please. So you're going to get a lot more rambling videos that start off with a topic that end in rambling and incoherency and nothing that makes any sense at all. Hey, look, guys, it's funny. It's 25. Yes, incoherence today. Good God, dyslexia. Incoherency and rambling. I really have no idea where I'm at. Oh no, it's the cops. Sleeping. You get those Z's, boy. Tax dollars. Where are they going? You know what? Whatever. So I found this beautiful, amazing park. Got lost, found it. Big, huge open parking lot when there's not a cop sitting back there. Great for practicing circles, guys. Oh, I do so many fucking circles. It's ridiculous. Yes, I dropped the F-bomb. So sue me. It's not like I'm making money on these videos. Besides, these videos, I'm not making them for likes, and I don't think they're gonna get huge or anything, but it's mainly just to document my progress in writing. You know, one day I'm hoping to look back and be like, God, that was terrible, or hey, you know what, those are great. You never know. It's a good thing about vlogging. The vlog. But where were we? We were talking about first bikes, correct? I think so. Anyway, I think I said it. Do research before you buy a motorcycle. Talk to, if you have access to other bike riders, talk to them. Like, you'd be surprised what you would learn from an older bike rider. You know, you really would. You know, they have experience. They've done it. They've also done the stupid things. But yeah, or you know, there's some great Reddit or subreddits and, you know, stuff like that you can go to. But yes, do your research for buying a bike. Do not go and buy a Fat Bob or an Ultra Glide or a Honda, what is it, the Shadow Ultra or whatever it is. I don't even know. Don't do that to yourself. Don't get a a Ninja 1000 RR as your first bike. You will kill yourself. You will. But yeah, anyway, so this video had a lot of rambling and a lot of randomness in it and a lot of incoherency, but hopefully you maybe learned something from it, or maybe you're just like, oh my god, this dude's like completely whacked out. And, you know what, that might be true too. I don't know. I'm on vacation with nothing to do. I've had 3 cups of coffee. You know, I don't sleep very well at night anyway because I have insomnia, so what can I say? And I've been up since 3 a.m. on vacation. So you get what you get. But hopefully, like I said, you've taken something from this video, and if you haven't, then you haven't. It's whatever, you know. And yeah, you know what? At least you got to watch me ride my beautiful, sexy Midnight. My 2018 Harley-Davidson Street 500. Oh, she is beautiful. Okay, and this is getting weird, isn't it? Right? Like I'm just rubbing the tank like, oh, baby. No. So, you gotta have fun with it, guys. You gotta have fun with life. Yeah, you really do. There's just too much to be depressed about right now. Don't let it get you down. Like I said, when life gets you down, don't sweat the petty things. Pet the sweaty things. Until later, guys. Deuces. Look at that. Would you look at that? I hate this turn. There's a guy with a sign again. Wait a minute. I think they switched sides. What? This is weird. They were on the other side just a few minutes ago. Hey, look, 2 of them to hold 1 sign. I'm proud of you guys.